All right, everyone. So here I'm looking at claims and weather data module that stores customer information and vehicle, type of vehicle that the customer drives, type of insurance claim, and total claim amount. Let's assume that I want to look at the subset of data where employment status is employed. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create the filters. There are two types of filters, and we're going to look at embedded filter. Embedded filter is applied to the data as soon as it's defined. Like see here, employment status, I have employed, unemployed, and medical leave, right? I want to keep only employed in a subset, right? So what I need to do is to define the filter, I'm going to right click here, right? And I'm going to select manage filters. Now, instead of selecting the column, I want to create my filter wire expression editor, right? So I'm going to select wire expression editor. Now I'm going to click on add filter to actually define my filter. Very important. In here, I need to use the descriptive name. Like for example, let's say employment status. Employment status is employed, right? Something like that. Now I need to define the expression. Expression specifies the condition that needs to be met for the row to stay, right? So here is a list of my columns, and what I'm gonna do is I need to drag and drop employment status in here, and the condition is employment status equal to employed. If I don't remember how to spell it, see here, for the categorical column, I can see my possible values. So I'm just gonna type in here employed, right? Employment status equals employed. I need to make sure that my spelling is right, including capitalization, okay? Employed. All right? So now what I need to do next is I need to verify that my syntax is valid. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna click on validate, right? The syntax is valid. Now what I'm gonna do, I need to save my filter. I'm gonna click on OK, right? Now take a look at what's happened. If I go to find my employment status in here, I only see employed, right? I no longer see other employment statuses, right? And if you look here, it's gonna show that the filter was immediately applied. See, I see this funnel in here next to the dataset name. This is a dataset that was used to create data module, and if I see funnel, it means that the embedded filter was applied. And if I was going to edit my embedded filter, I can click on manage filters here and see this. This is a filter that we just added. I can click here and it will open the editor again, and I can make changes here. All right. So here we looked at the example of embedded filter. In another video, we're going to look at the example of selectable filter, where it does not apply to the data immediately. All right. See you in the next video.